For this video, I'm going to show you how to make a template that you can assign to multiple pages. I'm going to go over to Appearance, to your editor, go over to your templates. Now this is a template that you can use over and over again. So you're going to go, where it says Manage All Templates. Right now you say I have a front page template. I would like a new one. If I choose any of these are very specific for a template to be assigned to one of those pages. If you accidentally do that, then it will look great on one of your pages, and when you go to try to assign it to another page, it's not going to work because it's only assigned to one page. So you have to go all the way down the bottom and go Custom Template. And the custom template is going to be called, let's just say, multi-template. Create. Okay, we don't want that. And from there, you're going to create this template like you would another template, any other template, but it's a multi-page template. Okay. So for instance, in here, I can add any of the patterns I may have made. That's a pattern that I made. Any blocks, a heading block, whatever I'm putting in my template, right? So I can put in headers, footers. You definitely want to make sure that you're adding your content. That's most important. One of the most important things, because that's kind of where everything's going to go. So notice how it's spanning all the way across. That's because it's not. It needs to be in a group. So when you go to your content, if you have three little things right there on the, click on that, press group, and now your content will be, when you display it, will be kind of in the middle here, not to the edges. If for some reason that's not working, you can just type in group, put that on there, and then you can put your content right into your group. The group into the content. So there you go. Content can go right inside the group. Same idea. So you want to absolutely have to have your content grouped, because if you don't do that, then it's going to go all the way to both edges. This gives you all these different controls about how it's going to be working. So make sure that you put it in a group. So that's pretty much it. So make sure that you're doing that, and then you can assign that. You can assign this template to multiple pages. The way you're going to assign it to multiple pages is you go back over here. You go over to your, oops, let's make sure that we've saved anything. Yes, let's make sure we're saving that to the multiple templates. Okay, forgot to save, always save. So let's go back over to pages. These are our pages. Okay, this is our first page. We have a couple more pages. So if you go over to blocks, which is one of my pages, you can see that the template right now is pages. Okay, so if I go over like that, that's what it looks like. It's got a header. This template has a header, and it has the title, and it has a footer. Okay, so now I'm going to switch it over to multi-template, because remember I made that so I could assign to multiple pages. Multi-template. We're going to update that. I'm going to see how that looks. So as you remember, I didn't have a header or a footer. I just had the title. So that's why this is on here, because that was all that I put on that. I did not put a header or a footer on there. Okay, so that's on there. And now I can actually go over here and I can put it onto, I can't put it on the front page. When it says front page and you made a front page template, that's it. It's going to go to the front page. It's going to not look anywhere else for you. On my sample page, and this one template is pages. I'm going to pull this down and go to my multi-template again, update it, and there you go. Okay, so that's the content, and then this is the title. So that's the same template for two different pages.